Back to my channel. In this video I will talk about one of the common error we are facing during ORDS running. So you can see on my screen that account is locked, and when I'm trying to click the Oracle APEX app, you can see here the account is locked. ORDS was unable to make a connection to the database, and our error code is ORA-28000. The account is locked. If I open the screen of my ORDS running, which is as a standalone. So you can see here that it is also showing the account is locked. So this will usually happen that our Apex public user get locked due to wrong tries and due to wrong passwords. So we have to connect to database with our system user by any IDE. I'm using PL/SQL developer. Let's get connected with the system user. Here I will query my DBA users. In this query, I have fetch my all Apex users, and you can see that Apex public users get locked. We have to unlock that. So let's copy this. Write the command alter user Apex public user identified by this must be your password that was created during the installation. If you forget it, you can also unlock that, but that's have some one more step. As I remember my password, so let's run this command and just query that database again. So you can see that our all Apex user are now unlocked and open. Let's refresh our ORDS standalone by restarting it. When I come after restart, so you can see my Apex is running fine now. The second way, if you don't remember this password, that is Oracle APEX public user, and this password was created during the installation. If you don't remember it, and let's say I go with Oracle 1, so you have to perform one step extra, which is reinstallation of ORDS. So again, you simply take your config folder and run the install command. You will choose with the default because your configuration is already set in your configuration folder. Go with the sys as sysdba user, your sysdba user password. It will retrieve the information and update our config directory. Now, if you run the ORDS and you run it on localhost, you will find out Apex is running fine. So this video is all about Oracle Apex public user get locked and you have to face an error and how to resolve it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video.